Hi, my name is Cole Morgan, owner of Americase Fabrication and Construction and AFC Solar. We are a full-service structural steel and miscellaneous steel fabricator located in Ennis, Texas, and we specifically do solar carports and commercial buildings here locally in the Texas area. We purchased the Prodevco PCR42 about a year and a half ago when we moved into our larger facility, and it's greatly increased our productivity and the capacity of us to fabricate structural steel. Ultimately, we chose the Prodevco over some of its competitors due to the lead time to get the unit on site, due to the high quality of service that we were recommended from other users, and we've also seen that high quality of service, and the day-to-day communication with technicians on the screen has been invaluable. Another unique aspect of the Prodevco machine in comparison to other machines is its ability to go underneath tubes and get on that 7th axis, which we run a lot of tube in our manufacturing, and that really eliminates us having to stop, flip beams or flip tubes, and waste time. So it's increased our capacity on our tube production as well. At the end of the day, any fabricator or manufacturer looking to grow their business or grow their capacities, I would recommend looking at the Prodevco PCR42. It's been a wonderful machine for us and has helped us grow substantially.